name is Kevin Holland. I'm a clinical imaging specialist with GE Healthcare.
And I am Allison Cook. This video will review Fluorostore on the OEC One CFD. Fluorostore will allow you to save and review the most recent frames of unsaved acquisition, up to 240 frames. Fluorostore can be activated on 3 areas of the system: the foot switch, the OEC One touch control panel, and the monitor. Begin with an extended exposure of the body part. This may include an injection or movement. Once terminated, on the foot switch, a long step on the Save button will activate Fluorostore. This will save up to 240 frames. Fluorostore is accessed on the right corner of the OEC Touch Control panel. Fluorostore is also activated by accessing the Cine Save button on the left corner of the left monitor. Please note, Fluorostore recalls up to 240 frames and is helpful when Cine Record is not set up prior to image acquisition. The Cine Record rate will determine the saving rate. Pulsed exposure saving rate is at a pulsed rate. Depending on your system defaults, it may immediately play back. Otherwise, visit your image directory. Fluorostore availability will depend on software configuration.
Thanks for watching.
Check out our other videos on C-arm chips for rad techs.